Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit crypto to crypto.com. First, open your crypto.com app and tap the transfer button on the home screen. Next, select deposit and then choose crypto from the options presented. You will then need to search for the specific cryptocurrency you intend to deposit, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, to proceed with the next steps. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth transaction. After selecting your crypto, it's vital to choose the correct network. For example, if depositing Ethereum, ensure you select the ERC20 network. Once the network is chosen, a unique deposit address will appear. Carefully copy this address. It's where your funds will be sent. Also, take a moment to review any minimum deposit requirements and potential network fees associated with your chosen asset and network. Now, switch to your external wallet or exchange where your crypto is currently held. Paste the crypto.com deposit address you just copied into the recipient or send address field. Enter the exact amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Before hitting send, double-check all the details: the address, the amount, and the network. Accuracy is key to ensure your funds arrive safely and without issues. After sending, your deposit will typically take a few minutes to process, though this can vary based on network congestion and the specific cryptocurrency. You'll receive a notification from crypto.com once your funds have been successfully credited to your account. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Always ensure you're sending to the correct address to avoid any irreversible losses.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.